Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Lobster Newburg. Start by thawing lobster, reserving shells, and making a flavorful seafood stock. Sauté shallots in butter, deglaze with sherry, then add cream and egg yolks slowly to thicken. Fold in tender lobster meat, season with salt, cayenne, and a squeeze of lemon. Serve over buttered toast or rice for a classic, indulgent dish. I'll share timing tips and easy variations to make this approachable for any home cook. Gather your ingredients before you start so the sauce cooks quickly and smoothly. Use cooked lobster meat or poached tails briefly for freshness. Heavy cream and egg yolks create a silky, rich base, while sherry adds bright, savory depth. Butter and shallots provide a mellow foundation, and a pinch of cayenne livens the sauce. Measure ingredients, taste as you go, and have toast or rice warmed and ready to plate. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple wins, grab the simple path to wealth for fresh financial perspective and a few laughs. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful recipes and tips for you. I linked the book and other deals in the description, so check it out when you can. It pairs nicely with slow-cooked comfort food. Now let's get back to the video. Start by building flavor with a quick shell stock simmered with onion and celery. Sauté shallots in butter until translucent, then add sherry and reduce for concentrated flavor. Pour in cream and simmer briefly, then temper beaten egg yolks with hot cream to thicken gently. Fold in lobster meat and warm through without boiling, then adjust seasoning with salt, cayenne, and lemon. Serve immediately over toast points or rice for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.